Why Indians buy gold on Akshaya Tritiya? On just one day, Indians buy gold worth thousands of crores. But have you ever wondered why only on Akshaya Tritiya? To give you an idea, according to reports, during Akshaya Tritiya, India alone purchases over 3,500 kilograms of gold, which amounts to more than 5 to 6,000 crore in sales in just a single day. This makes it one of the biggest cultural and economic events in India every year. Akshaya Tritiya is considered one of the most auspicious days in India. The word Akshay means something that never decreases. It signifies perpetual growth, prosperity, and long-lasting wealth. Because of this belief, people think that if they buy gold on this day, their wealth will continue to grow and never diminish. Unlike other festivals, you do not need to check any special timing or muhurt. The whole day is considered lucky. That is why people prefer buying gold, property, or starting new investments. To put it into perspective, according to the World Gold Council, India accounts for almost 25 to 30% of global gold demand annually. And a single day like Akshaya Tritiya contributes to a 15 to 20% spike in sales during this period, showing how significant this event is for the market. But here is something interesting. What started as a religious belief slowly became a strong financial habit. In India, gold is not just jewelry. It serves multiple purposes. It is a form of savings that can be liquidated easily in emergencies. It acts as a safety net for families during financial crisis. And it even works as a status symbol that represents social prestige. Over generations, families started buying gold every year on this day. Even today, around 60 to 70% of jewelry sales during Akshaya Tritiya come from repeat customers, which shows how deeply ingrained this habit is in Indian culture. This shows that a simple cultural belief has turned into a large-scale economic activity, impacting millions of people and generating enormous sales for the industry each year. Now let us understand what happens in the market. On Akshaya Tritiya, gold demand in India increases sharply. Jewelry shops prepare months in advance, launch attractive offers and discounts, and see huge customer rush that can last all day. Because of this sudden surge in demand, gold prices often rise by 200 to 500 rupees per 10 grams in the short term. Banks and apps also actively promote digital gold options, gold investment plans, and gold ETFs to attract younger buyers. India is one of the largest consumers of gold in the world, buying more than 700 to 800 tons annually, which is nearly a quarter of global demand. So when millions of Indians buy gold on the same day, it even has a small but noticeable impact on global demand. However, global gold prices are still mainly influenced by factors like inflation, the value of the US dollar, and global interest rates. So while Akshaya Tritiya creates a significant local demand spike, it does not control the entire global market. In 2022, for example, Mumbai alone saw over 3,500 kilograms of gold sold, highlighting the sheer scale of this cultural economic phenomenon. So what can we learn from this? This is a perfect example of how belief, tradition, and human behavior can influence an entire market. In economics, this is called demand-driven price movement, where a large group of buyers acting together can impact the price of a commodity, even when their actions are primarily driven by culture or emotion. Even if the reason for buying is emotional or traditional, when millions of people act together, it creates real financial impact. That is why festivals like Akshaya Tritiya are not just cultural events, they are also economic events, demonstrating the connection between psychology, society, and markets. It is fascinating to see how a single day in a calendar can influence thousands of crores of transactions, tens of thousands of shops, and even the behavior of global gold markets. So next time you see people buying gold on Akshaya Tritiya, Remember, it is not just tradition. It is a mix of culture, psychology, and economics working together. And now you know, millions of people and thousands of crores of rupees follow the same behavior every single year, all because of a belief in prosperity that dates back centuries. Thank you so much.